Morning, sir. Morning, sir. See,
Okay na mag-start, sir. Pleasant morning to everyone, especially to our course instructor, Sir Rodney Maniego. We will be presenting our final project for ESI 126, Computer Fundamentals and Programming. But but first, let me introduce myself. I am Joseph B. Maglasang, and opponents here are Mr. Joseph Sam Becerra Bual and Mr. Charles Vincent Mayaman. So our project is entitled Thermodynamics Properties of Water or Steam Table, Calculator, and State Classifier. So let me start by giving you some information on what you can expect in our presentation. Next slide, please. So first, we'll be giving a brief discussion about the program, then the process undertaken in making the program, the specifications and function of the program, the significance of the program, and the program presentation or the demonstration. And lastly, questions or clarifications or suggestions for the program. Next. So the name of our program is Integrated Steam Calculator or ISC. So ISC will give the user the corresponding values of the thermodynamic properties of water or vapor accurately based on the user's input with respect to temperature and pressure, as well as the state, which can be saturated, liquid or vapor, compressed or subcooled, liquid or vapor, superheated, liquid or steam, and lastly, supercooled liquid. Next. So these are the thermodynamic properties and values that can be seen in or can be found in a steam table. So shown here are examples of what a steam table looks like. As you can see, locating the values of the thermodynamic properties from a steam table can not can be not so easy to navigate. Because of this, it is prone to error and can result to blunders and miscalculations. Next slide. So ISC can also minimize the time consumed in locating the values because uh, it in just few inputs from the user, the desired values can be attained or be calculated using the program. Additionally, the values from the STEM tables are usually rounded off na. So, pero sa amo program, but in our program, it can accurately and precisely give you the values of the thermodynamic properties from up to 15th decimal digits. So it also classifies the state of the water or vapor according to the user's input as mentioned earlier. So next slide. Furthermore, most of the steam tables kay naa siya intervals sa given temperature, or if you're trying to get the saturated values and ang imo given pressure and given temperature is in between or nasa sa wala siya sa interval. So you need to undergo the process called interpolation, and this would take time na sad. So the only restrictions this program have is the actual range of each steam inputted value. If the inputted value does not correspond to any known value of any state of steam, that it will not return any data. So next slide. So this is the process on how to interpolate when the given temperature or pressure is not listed on the steam table. So I will not explain further on how to do the process. So I will just proceed to on the next slides. So this is magyap na yung process sa pag-interpolate. Dili na ako elaborate further. Next. So compared to some online STEAM calculators and softwares, this program is enhanced with some functions that other calculators can provide. Also, there are some calculators that can be found in the internet, but they are only limited to a few properties and needed sa ang internet access. So in our program, next slide please. So in our program, the only two requirements needed in order to run it are, first is Python software must be properly installed in the device, and the IAP EWS module is properly installed in Python. Next. So let me elaborate further on the thermodynamic properties of water or vapor. So in our program, we can get the values of 6 properties of water and steam, which are saturation, pressure or temperature, specific volume, the specific internal energy, the specific enthalpy, the specific entropy, and the compressibility factor. So all of these properties are needed when dealing with water and steam, and also when solving thermodynamic problems rather, involving water and steam. Next. So what are steam properties and steam state? So steam state refers to a specific classification of water or steam according to their properties. Each properties have a unique connection to one another and changes with respect to each other. That's why steam are classified into various stages such as na mention saturated liquid or vapor, compressed or subcooled liquid or vapor, superheated, and supercooled liquid. For further elaboration of the uh, IAPWS module or the International Association for the Properties of Water and Steam. So here is uh, my co-proponent.
So, good morning, sir. I will elaborate further. Why did we choose the IAPWS module instead of um, making our own STEAM tables and basing on that own uh, database that we created? So, why did we choose the IAPWS module? So, IAPWS module, or the International Association for Properties of Water and Steam, contains the standard basis for every steam calculators found on online or even on some books. So which means na ang tanang mga steam tables nga na-generate or can be found in the books are just based on the IAPWS standards. So that is why through further research and development sa among project program, we encounter this IAPWS module online na kanang pwede na mo siya i-download and can be utilized as a database for our program. So we took the IAPWS modules as database to our program, agreeing to the terms of use and its bylaws. So Steam tables varies from each other, but they are all derived from IAPWS standards, which is accepted worldwide. So as I've said, kani siya nga module is the basis for the other Steam tables, which means nga kadang accurate siya, precise, and accepted bisag asa ka nga kuan kanang part sa world. So next slide, please. So IAPWS. So for further information, since we will not tackle more about the IAPWS modules, and it will consume a lot of time. So for further information about this, you can search the link that we included in this uh, presentation. So the WS caters a lot of utilizable functions that are widely used by engineers around the globe. And we can say nga dili lang kami ang pinaka first nga nag-create ani nga program. We can say nga naanay uban nga make nag-create ani nga certain program. We don't know yung sa nila. But we can say nga they also base on this certain module because I observed the some applications nga nag-act or nag-function similar sa among program. I opened the application and managed to found out nga kani sila nga mga application na gamit ra sad aning IAPWS na module naka-embed sa ilang inner nga mga program nga na inside sa application. So next program. Next slide. In the process in making this program was first taken from our project proposals, and at the project proposals, we strongly indicate that our program will be limited to intervals and cannot identify values beyond those intervals. So, in the first, we didn't really encounter this IAPWS module. So, what we did is we tried to create our own Steam tables in the Python, and that consumes a lot of work, a lot of time, because you will have to actually make your own Steam tables that came from have a value from zero up to thousands. So that's really a lot of work to do. And we started developing as our stem tables and using a JSON file in the Python. Next slide, please. And this is what we make. This is what we did first. We created a uh, kanang our own Steam tables, and it looks like this kanang because we are trying to create our own database nga dito may magbase sa among Steam calculator. So that's why we said na kanang limited ra siya sa kani nga mga intervals. So beyond ana nga mga intervals dili na maka-identify ang among program at first. So next slide please. While creating our Steam table file, we also desperately tried to find a formula to solve those thermodynamic properties. And we also did an in-depth research about itaan gyud, but we didn't really kuan nga na kay lisod siya. And after pila ka kuan, we came across this IAPWS module and we did a comprehensive research about it. And after learning what and how to use the IAPWS module on making our own Steam tables and started working on a new program. Next slide. So this is what we found in the IAPWS IF97. So kanisiya na module specifically deals with steam or liquid properties. So naatay density, specific enthalpy. There are a lot of properties nga pwede i i i, i kanang gamiton ani nga kani nga program o kani nga module. And we only include the most basic or most important one since the other are dili naman siya or magamit gyud siya. So ang kaning kaning among gi-include is ang pinaka like specific volume, mo na sila mga pinaka those are the very basic or the very common terms sa thermodynamics properties. Next slide please. Day after day, we made progress and developments on our program while keeping it simple as possible. We did trial and error to eliminate all occurring errors in the program. We also did some research on other softwares like ours to find what's lacking on it and to bring the best of our program. And finally, we optimize the program as possible as it is to make it more presentable. So, next slide. So after pila ka after few developments and we managed to finally create our programs that looks like this. But the story behind in making this program is still too long, so wala na namo gi-include since ang kada properties or kada function nga naa ni nga program, we divide it into three. So amo ni gi-work out into pieces, into parts, and then after working out into parts, we amo gi-gather tanan and make it into one program. So nga ni siya form. Next slide. Kanang some your turn. Naka-off yung mic.
Nadungog na. Hello,
Okay
hello.
na. Okay na. Okay na.
For the specification and functions of our program. So this is how our program will look like if we run it on Python. So our program contains a Steam calculator. This program will calculate and provide steam properties such as specific volume, specific enthalpy, specific entropy, and saturation, temperature, pressure. It also contains a state classifier. This program automatically identifies the state according to the inputted values. So our program is error-free. This program will not tolerate any forms or misinput or error. It is well designed such that it neglects any possible error. This program caters all the known states for liquid and steam with all its possible ranges. It is also simple. We made sure that the program is simple as possible for the users to easily use it while being satisfied with the results. It is fast, accurate, and precise. So this program is really convenient for people who need it.
So
Functions in the
function.
program. This this program uses the module IAPWS.
So kanita siya na module, sir, is we, as I've said, we import the IAPWS module as our database. So ani nga ay kaning module is we have IAP kanang caps lock capital nga IAPWS 97, and we also have kanang small letters nga IAPWS 97 and a dash IAPWS. So kani sila dili ni sila redundant, kanang each one of them have specific functions nga kanang ilang gi-run. So dili siya maingon nga kanang na IAPWS nga capital na napay na IAPWS nga small letters. Dili siya redundant because they have their own specific functions in getting the values, and interchanging these kanang functions will cause an error to the program.
Functions called in the program. It, our program uses the modules OS, time, and datetime. These are functions that executes the important parts of the program. All the other terminologies inside the program are just basic. Others are just based on the callable parameters inside those imported modules. Every single part of the program has its important functions. If one is changed, then the program will experience significant changes. This program is designed to help students, teachers, engineers, and people who deal with equations regarding steam and liquid properties by providing them with the best and efficient way of determining steam or liquid properties in just a matter of seconds. Dealing with thermodynamic problems has always been hard for students, and at some point, it is the cause for them for dropping or failing in the subject. With this program, students and even faculties will have a revolutionized way of determining steam properties. Plus, it helps them identify its states. With this in hand, it will lessen the burden of students and teachers and keep them moving forward to success. So for the program presentation, we have Mr. Mayaman.
Yeah, sir. Makita lang. Makita lang.
Oh.
Okay. So for the program, ingani siya, we have in this program we have 200 lines. So if ini siya i-run, it will look like this. So as we've mentioned, when we create this program, we made sure na it is simple as possible to make it easy for the users to use this program. So inig open nimo ani kaning program, it will directly ask you the temperature in Celsius because we use the SI units in on making this program, and in this we have temperature and we have pressure. So we have also instructions in this interface. We have these 4 instructions that if you want to end the program, you will uh, input end or at least one parameters of this program will contain a value to or for the program to identify or to provide the corresponding properties depending on that given or given data na gi-input sa user. So for example, wala kay gi-input, the program will restart like that. If you want to end the program, you will input end on the temperature like that. Imo lang siya space if kanang ang klase nga kuan is wala kay ang input, so na program is terminated. Then if mag-input ka like ang given lang parameters like nag-solve ka og problem, then you are only given with temperature, then you will input like for example ang given is 15 degrees Celsius, then you will press enter. Then since wala man dili man given pressure sa problem or wala kay parameters nga pressure, you will just leave it blank, press enter again, then it will provide you the properties like we have saturation pressure, we have a specific volume VF and VJ. So kaning VF and VJ dili na siguro ni kinahanglan, it's not necessary siguro na amo pa ni siya explain unsa ning VF and VJ because if you are a students working with STEAM or something like that, you know what is meant by VF and what is meant by VJ, or uh, volume of a liquid and volume of the steam. So we have specific enthalpy, specific entropy, and compressibility factor. So if you after inputting the value, then after provide a program of corresponding properties, the program will ask you if you want to restart the process again, like if napakailain ipangitaon. So you will have to input yes or no, or if you are too dumb enough nga pataka kag input dira bisag unsay may butang, the program will not have an error, but in just will terminate the program. So let's say find patag another value, like we put there yes, and the program will go back to this part. So another function nga amo gi putang ani nga program is unlike sa typical nga mga Python programs nga mag-redundant siya, magsigir na siya balik-balik, then mutaas na ang imong linya, like imo siya i-swipe pababaw, then daghana siya dito as babaw nga mga previous nimo nga gipangbuhat. But this one will erase all the history and make it back to kung unsay kanang pinaka beginning. So hinlo siya nga para hinlo siya kitaon to make it neat kitaon. So next is say we have pressure. wala ka kaibaw sa temperature, just leave it blank and say you are only given with pressure, let's say 500 kilopascals, then you are given with a properties again. And this is what we said earlier na mo identify siya sa state class, and we have here saturated state pressure base. So unlike sa most kanang steam calculators found online, dili sila mo provide og kanang unsa siya na state or unsa siya na kanang something like that, but this one will provide you a specific state o asa siya na belong. Then let's say yes, let's say you have two in parameters. We have data for temperature and we have data for pressure, like say 200, and it will still provide you, this time it is superheated or compressed state, or the properties are nearly becoming an ideal gas. Then you have only here a specific volume, specific internal energy, wala na tayo compressibility factor. Kay I think if mo ang imong steam is going near into ideal gas, ang iyang compressibility factor is going near to 1, I think. Ay, wala ko ka nakalimut na ko. Then as you notice, we only have one value. We don't have VF and VJ because in this state only one can exist. Like if steam, then steam, then if liquid, then liquid. They only have one kanang existence, dili sila pwede mabahin. Then say we say ato na i-terminate ang program, dili na ta mo repeat sa process, we say no, and the program will terminate. So this is the function na OS datetime, something like that. Kanang na siya ay katong ato nga mo siya og mo count like adds. Then kani so mo to ang mga kuan, mga those are the functions that this program can offer. If you say kanang imo sa input like that, the program will not identify and will reset or start again. And if you want to end the program in this part, you will input end like that, and the program will terminate. So basically, Kanishana program doesn't contain any errors since we made sure that through trial and error process na wala siya yung error na occur. So I think that's the program. So any questions, sir? Nag-share screen pa ba ko?
So,
Hindi
okay
na
na.
makita ba eh?
So, let's
Nakita
just
ang
start
program?
with the Q&A. Let's just start with the Q&A.
Okay, sir.
So, I will just ask you randomly. So, let me start with you, Charles. So, after this semester, would you use
Sir.
this project at home or in your community?
Yes, sir. Because as I've said, mas better siya kumpara sa mga program nga ako nakita online. And since as a student engineering student nga nag-solve po ko og thermodynamic problems, I also noticed this problem nga nag-download ko og a lot of softwares nga mo solve og thermodynamic properties, but I am not wala ko na satisfied since some of them will require you two parameters instead of just one. What if I only have temperature and I don't know the pressure, something like that? And that's a problem that I encounter. So when I make this program, I address that problem na kanang then to make it kanang utilizable gani sir kanang so in short, all in all, magamit gyud ni siya sa students, all students nga kanang deal with thermodynamic problems. So yes, I will use this in the future studies of mine, or in my colleagues, I will also recommend this program since this is really, I know this is really helpful to them. That's it, sir.
Sige. For Joseph, so after this semester, would you recommend this project to anyone and why?
Definitely, sir. I would recommend this
As
program because especially to
Duham Lex. Ikaw, sige,
uh,
patayin.
ako, sir.
Yes, yes, sige, patayin.
See. So my answer is yes, I would definitely recommend this program to especially to engineering students like us kay dako kay siya gamit sa in our field because we are dealing with uh, water and steam pero may mag-deal og kanang water and steam and sa pag-solve sad sa thermodynamic problems if if mag-rely rami sa steam tables so and ah, mas dako ang time nga ma-consume kung maggamit ra mi ato nga steam tables since mag-interpolate pa mi if ever ang value ng amo kailangan is in beyond sa kanang intervals. So dako kay siya advantage for us engineering students. So I would definitely recommend this program to anyone engineering students that are dealing with thermodynamics and especially in water and steam.
Or Sam. You're going to sell this project. What is your price point and why?
Um, I think, I, could you repeat the question, sir?
If you're going to sell this project, what is your price point and why?
If I were to sell this product, it would be about 1,000 pesos. Um, it seems pretty reasonable for a beginner project, and uh, what I found online to some programmers offer their service for about the same price. So yeah, I think it would be. And kay ba ko nga naiuban nga mo mahal ay mulapas pa ni nga nga kanang I know that kanang programs can be very expensive, and um, for a beginner program, I think it's pretty reasonable for 1,000 months.
Okay, for Roel. So, balik sa Joseph Roel. So, from 1 to 10, how smoothly did the task were delegated to everyone in the group?
Since the moment we kanang under uh, damo mig na encounter na mga revisions and damo sa dog mga uh, recommendations sad sa band members. So I would rate uh, mga 7 since ang dili man the plan was wala jud siya na follow jud tanan sa base sa mo project proposal damo na og revisions nga na made. So wala jud siya na follow smoothly ang amo ang project proposal. Pero ang the program nga amo na himo karon is mas better siya and mas improved version siya kaysa sa amo ang gi-propose na project. That's all, sir.
Okay, for Charles, how well did you perform your task as part of the group?
Uh, we, as a group, we communicate with each other. Then after that, we kanang nagkasinabot me to perform a specific task. So at first, na katag-katag to amo work since we don't really know unsaon na mo pag make sa program since it's really at first it's really hard in kadto pa lang maghimo mig among galingon nga steam table database. That one is already very hard, and we know or nga kinahanglan mi mag make og contingency plan if ever dili na mo masucceed or ma-finish ang among kanang gihimo nga steam table. But then after pila ka days we search we managed to, or actually I'm the one who uh, managed to encounter this IAPWS, and then I proposed this IAPWS to my group mates, and then nagkasinabot mi to bahinon to make a study about it, and then make a program. Then amo gibahin ang program into three parts. So we decided to divide into three parts. At first, I'm the one who make the middle part kana mag gather og datas or properties nga na ato nga module. Then the other part sila na ni Joseph ug ni Sam ang nag-rate. Then that's it, sir. If I am to say, we did a great team. We did a good coordination since at the end when we group the program into one, there are minimal errors since errors are unavoidable, but still the outcome is good and considered. That's it, sir.
Sige, okay. For Sam, so what is your greatest contribution to this project?
I think my greatest contribution to this project would be the, the presentation. Um, I didn't really do much about the program because um, the other two were already doing it, and what I did was to check if the program works well and make sure that the presentation will be successful.
And for the last question for Charles, if your group is unable to pass the subject, what things are you going to change or improve next semester?
For if ever we will not pass this subject and we failed to deliver a quality final project like this, what I think is among buhaton is we will try to improve ourselves, but we are not down because of it, because at this point we are proud of thinking we managed to make this kind of program. That means have a we learn something from this subject, and if ever we fail, that means our knowledge or skills is not enough, and we have to make it we have to dig deeper, and we have to improve ourselves, not just being down because we failed, but we have to think positively that there is still something more to change. We can still improve, and there's still more to learn from the subject. But for now, we can say we did our best. This is the best we can do. Although we can say daghan pa pwede i-utilize, daghan pa pwede improve sa program, but since gipit or higpit ang schedules, and we have still other subjects nga kinahanglan na mo i-take care, uh, the program is minimized to its optimum but still usable state. And still, we are proud to say this program managed to fulfill every kanang objectives nga amo gibutang sa final nga manuscript sa among kaning project. I think that's it, sir.
Maybe. So very nice answer, no? So anyway, I really like your project, no? And you as kanang mga individual, so you really have that engineering ba nga spirit ba? Because sometimes you really don't do it by yourself, mga good. So there are available nga tools online, especially si Python, no? Vibrant kayo ang community ni Python na natay for education, for computer science, for engineering, for medical fields. Naadaghan kayo possible nga libraries and modules nga available nga dili na kakailangan maghimog imo own. So it's nice nga you explored, you try different ways na mo para ma-complete ni nga project ba. So that's the spirit also of a programmer ba. So you don't give up, you search online kay actually as programmers dili man need nga memorize mo tanan everything. So bisan magtudlo og Python, I don't know everything about programming. So I know the basics, but I search online on what things to use and what things I can do to improve my program. So I really like your project, no. So it might be helpful sa aside sa students, but maybe sa kanang mga engineering nga nagpursue og research ba. So there are engineering who are working on the field, so naman po yung engineering nga nag-work sa research, they try to find new knowledge ba, and they can leverage Python and even ang katong inyo tool nga gi-use module. So kato raman, so I will not give you any revision, so just submit your final program together with your presentation file sa VSUE so I can check it. Then study for the final exam. So it will happen by Wednesday until Friday siguro. So thank you so much for your time and effort. So if wala na may questions, pwede na mong leave. So thank you so much for the effort that you give to my
Thank you, sir.
class.
Thank you, kayo, sir. Thank you, kayo, sir.
Sige.